So, routine. It's very important that you prepare for the day ahead. I love the saying that says, what gets scheduled gets done. And that is the truth. So prepare for your day. Think about what you want to achieve. Make sure that you have a good handle on what lies ahead. Make a list of tasks. The most cleansing, settling, productive thing you can do when you feel overwhelmed is to sit down with a pen and paper and make a list. And please don't use your computer. Sit down with a pen and paper. Something very special happens when you make that list. Your brain gets the message, aha, we are doing something about this. We're not just worrying. And by putting it on paper, it's completely different from typing it onto a list on your computer. So your brain responds quite well, and there's a therapeutic, not only an organizational advantage that you gain from making a list. So make a list of everything you need to do and get it on paper. The other thing that does is it helps you not think, oh, I need to remember this, I need to remember this. Once it's on paper, there's a sense of release. Make sure that you wake up and go to bed at set times. It is so tempting to binge watch Netflix into the wee hours of the morning, but it's not helping you be productive. So make sure that you have a time that you go to bed and you have a time that you get up. And make sure that you are using your time of the day. If you're a morning person and you are super productive in the morning, make sure that you schedule your workload to get things done in the morning. Okay, and keep the tasks that are not as energy intensive or not as, you don't need to concentrate as much, keep those for the afternoon. But be aware of your body's rhythms. Break down work into segments. Again, I think when you are overwhelmed, there's just too much on the deck and you start getting yourself into a tangle. The easiest way is just to start, but to really think of it in a modular way and to break down everything into segments. Plan and schedule all spheres of your life. Now, guys, it is actually so hilarious. I've got a magnetic whiteboard on my fridge, and I make a list of all the cleaning things I want to do on that. I've got a calendar above my kettle where I put all the important dates. I have a hard copy planner, and I run tasks electronically. Whatever it takes to help you get things done, but schedule it, because if you schedule it, chances are you will complete it. Take time out for gratitude. Whenever I feel like I am super unhappy or overwhelmed, the easiest way to do that gear change is to think about what I'm grateful for. And if you sit down and you get that perspective of all the wonderful things that you actually do have in your life, energy and focus returns. Track your habits and the small wins. Now, for any of you who are interested in the habit tracker from my planner, I'm happy to send it to you. In the beginning of the lockdown especially, I found my habit tracker essential because I didn't have any major dates on my diary. I didn't have concrete stuff during the day, but tracking my habits gave me a sense of structure and control. So, and it also gives you a nice review of your week when you look back and you see, I wanted to do these things, did I get them done? So it often fuels your productivity for the next week.